Hello, this is Mike McCaslin with Keyhole Pianos. Today we are repairing a microphone boom. We don't do this for customers, but we do it for friends, and in this case, somebody that's complaining about problems they're having. This is a typical one. This is a hollow tube. It's a very thin wall and it cannot be threaded. So in order to get away with this thin wall, they put a stud on the end. This stud has a reduced diameter that goes inside this hollow tube, and then they crimp it. And they crimp it to keep this from moving around. Only a lot of times what will end up happening is this crimp fails, and then you get where this spins on the end here. And it can even get so bad where it'll spin all the way around, and it becomes effectively useless because the mic clip will not stay put. And it drives performers crazy. So in order to fix that, one of the ways to do it, there are many, but my preferred way is to use an 1/8 inch drill bit. We're going to drill all the way through, and then we're going to rivet it together so that it can't move. Another problem that we get a lot of times is missing hardware. In this case, it's the handle, the stud that goes through here, and then it's got a couple of threaded balls on the end, and they get lost. So I like to use, this is commonly referred to as a PTO clip, and this is a 1/4 inch PTO clip. And wouldn't you know that a 1/4 inch is just too large to fit through this comfortably? So we're going to also bore it out with a 1/4 inch bit. We're going to do that first. It will take almost no time at all. We've now replaced the handle. I like this better. Anyway, let's move to our 1/8 inch bit. And we're choosing an 1/8 inch bit. We're using an 1/8 inch rivet. I'm using all hand tools except for the drill here. Most people don't have access to a pneumatic riveting gun. Now, generally, we'd recommend, put this thing in a vise, and you might need to maybe punch a starting pilot. But we don't need to do that here because, as it turns out, the crimp gives us a space to put our drill bit in there. We're getting there. So what we've done is we've drilled all the way through the tube and through the stud. It's a through hole. It wasn't too hard to do. And now we just put the pop rivet in. And again, this is a handheld rivet gun. It'll do. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Does not move. Performers will like these improvements. There you have it, folks. Straight from McCaslin Productions and Keyhole Pianos. Thanks for watching.